Today is your day, don't let it fade. Shine your light.
Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Kalen! Happy birthday, Kalen! Thank you, classmate. Hello, one. Si Kalen lang, ha? 1, 2, 3. Ay, isa pa.
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Ayun. Thank you po.
In the melody.
Ha? Ang lalaki? Yan eh.
When the night falls and you spark remains.
Picture kayong dalawa. Smile. Isa pa. Smile.
It's your birthday, let's have fun.
Wow, love mo yan?
Lots of cake for everyone. Balloons and candles, games to play. We will laugh and sing all day. Happy birthday, hip hooray. Happy birthday, let's all say. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Friends and
Lucky!
presents so bright.
Wow, ang dami niyang web. Ang dami.
Tapos sila, diba pa?
Liam mo.
Yung frog, oh.
Apa, dangerous frog yan.
Birthday cheer and birthday kiss.
Ano yan, bebe?
Party happy games to play. Celebrating your special
Wow, it's moving. Sabi niya.
Masyada yun ang ulo, eh.
Talag.
happy birthday. Here you are. Birthday party, lots of cheer. Best day of the whole year. Happy birthday just for you. A special day all bright and new.
Bata yan eh. O kayo naman tatlo. Dali, dali, dali. Dali kay Papa, kay Papa. Mahal. Game. Mahal. Ay, may stingray, Kalen. Kalen, inuhuli mo yan?
Oh, touch mo daw, touch mo daw.
Touch mo daw sa taas, oh.
Touch yan?
Ayun, oh.
Touch
Huliin mo yan.
Touch ko? Hindi natin magawin. X-ray fish.
Malamig dito, mawawala.
X-ray. Mami, mga tubig. Wala dito. Malaki bunga yan eh. Gumaganyan yun. to, no?
Baby yan, candy yan. Baby shark. Baby shark. Eggnog shark. Eggnog shark yan.
Ayun o, may gumagalaw doon o.
Tignan mo, ayun o. Pakita mo sa kanya, Papa. Ayun o. Ayun o, may gumagalaw. Baby yan, baby. Nasa loob siya ng
Ayan,
egg.
naloob pa siya.
Hindi abot ni Liam eh.
Ayan.
Tutulog yan.
Ay, nakahiga siya. oh.
Bulagtak.
May mga ano siya. Sick.
Patay niya.
Liam, stop it. Kuya Liam, si Nemo. Clownfish.
Ito yung bibigay ko sa kanila. Stop. Ano to? Uy, pa?
Ano daw? Wala na. Pag nakabuka na, wala na.
Ano nga pa? Dalawa sila. Ayun o.
Bilang mo nga, ilan sila?
Imposible kasi. 1, 2,
Gusto mo naman magbilang?
4.
Ay, ano? Stonefish ba? Ano ba to? Yeah, ayun pa oh. Ay, ito pa. Ay, ito. Kay Colin to. Ito, nakatingin kay Colin. Kainin ka nun.
Ayun pa mo.
Oh, yeah.
Ate, yung pinakamalaki na. Oh, take me. Papa, yung pinakamalaki mo. Malaki naman ang fish.
Laki lang pa ng clownfish. Dati ba ito ni Nemo, Colin? Ayan, siya lang matabi. Ayun o. Clam.
Ginawa ko yung patay yung mga
Bakit na, ano?
Clam yata yun. Hindi ko alam what.
Bakit nagkakaroon ng hilaw?
What do you mean?
Ayun o.
Ah, hindi ko alam ano. Teka na. Wow, ang ganda naman.
Ano yan?
I don't know.
Ang galing nila mag-swim. No, ha?
Bakit ka ako kagaya ni Kuya?
Parang interesting, hindi sila nakakatakot. Bakit interesting?
And when the search comes at the end of the road, be active, be loneliness. I'll be your boy. Say of the love we once
Team pala, nag-fly tuloy.
Scuba diver! Ay, pupunta ko.
Kita mo? Opo! Sa taas na siya. Huwag kang tumayo, kuya. Teka lang, pag may shark na. Yan na, may shark na. Wait lang. Harap dito.
Ganda, no? Ganda ni Dad. Lapit.
Ayun na pa! Papa, tira mo yung alin na lang ako ng lento. Laki na, no?
Labag mo yung hands mo. Ako maglagay ng hands ko. Kasi nagbibideo ko. Sige, labag mo lang.
Hindi naman. Huwag mo gagalawin, ha?
Huwag mo gagalawin. Labag mo lang.
Hindi, ano yan lang yan? Yung mga skin mo kukunin niya. Hindi yan mo masakit sa labang. Kita na yung malaw.
Nakakalimutan.
Wala.
Kaya nga, labag mo.
Ilubog mo, makikiliti ka. Dali.
Ako nakikiliti ako.
Isang kamay lang, daliri lang. Ayan. Hindi kiliti si Kuya. Ikaw na yung nakakalit.
Tigala niya, tigala niya.
Kiliti.
Wala pa nga eh.
Ayun, huwag galawin. Para ilapit na kayo. Ayun, tama.
Di pa kahulihin.
Uy mo. Kalabi yun.
Huli na ba?
Wala ka masaan.
Hindi!
Dali ka.
Manalas si Miga. Sabay-sabay sila oh.
Tingin. Ang dumi daw ng kamay ni Liam.
Kikiliti sila.
Ikaw ka dali. Kiliti ka.
Feeling good. Feeling good.
Wala
Every
pa nga
day and
eh.
every night, life is a journey full of spices. Gotta savor every slice.
Ayoko.
I have surprises round the corner. I can't predict. I can't pretend. Just hug them, make them yours. Enter directly. Open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now, we are alive. Let's take advantage.
Ba't nakalabas sila mo, be? Tilapia.
Walking on the street.
Hindi ka
Feeling so
tilapia.
free.
Shark yan.
Every moment is a gift.
Ayun o.
You cannot see.
Ayun o, shark.
No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life.
active pa rin sila,
Let's
for
take advantage
sure.
and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free every moment's a gift. No need to worry, conflicts, just enjoy the moment. Make the most of life. Catch me in the zone, flowing to the beat. Unexpected surprises.
Hawak daw
Make
muna
life
Lia.
so sweet. There's no time for worries, just enjoy it.
Hawak mo daw, Kalin.
Every moment I'm savoring the vibe.
Kalin, basta maatras ka.
Dancing through the rhythm like there's no tomorrow. From highs to lows, I'm embracing the sadness.
Soft siya, soft.
Life is full of twists and turns, you know it's true.
Later na daw. Hawakan nyo muna
But
sila
when
bago nyo
unexpected
pakainin.
surprises arise, I break.
Nahagisan ni Kalin yung pagkain. Binibigyan niya na. Ikaw naman, kuya.
There's no time to stop.
Hawakan niyo muna.
We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift. You cannot see, no need for worry. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment.
Sabi niya, happy birthday, Kalin. Sabi niya, happy birthday, Kalin. Sabi niya,
Ayoko niya, laki masyado. Embrace the unknown. Live life without regret.
bigyan mo siya ng isa. Hatiin nyo. Yan. Magwash na lang ng hands later. Ang laki niya, no?
Thank you for today, for the smile you give.
Oh, the-drop mo lang, quiz.
Quiet world,
Hindi.
in this busy world, your voice remains a gentle light that never fades.
Takot ka pala, Kuya Liam, eh.
Trains and crowds, lost
Si
in
Kalin, hindi pa umawak si Kalin, eh.
Find the simplest way to make my worries fade away. I forget to say it day by day, but your kindness leads my way.
Zebra shark.
Today feels like you
Tama na.
quiet words that help me stay. In this busy world, your voice remains
Kalin, stop that.
never fade.
Liam, baka mahulog ka, anak.
I stop at the cafe near the lane. I see
Ano po? Ay, walang po si Kalin.
my face. Message pops up just to
Balansa naman lahat yan, jellyfish, eh.
how the day feels lighter.
Sit down ka, Liam. Pipicturean ko lang kayo ni Kalin sandali.
Kayo, kuya.
Thank you, kuya, sa pag-guide.
To strength inside of me.
Their remarkable eyesight allows them to discover great They're the ones that lead to the diagnosis of vegetables, sex and aggressive manner, with a lifespan of up to 20 years. They embody resilience in the West. So once again, our green iguana is needed in their bird. And now, meet our skinny friend,
Ay, siya.
the ball python. And now, I happen to hear the bearded dragon. Belongs to the genus Corona, are medium-sized lizard native to the
Lizard
region
na.
of Australia. They have flattened body,
Dragon
triangular
lizard.
head, and distinctive ears
Dragon
of
lizard.
spiky scales. In the wild, bearded dragons are omnivores. Consuming insects, vegetation, and
Omnivore, kumakain ng plants at ano.
they communicate through body language.
Pa-picture, pa-touch po. Pa-touch po.
Ulis!
Without proper
Ulis!
So what they are Once again, the Dragon volunteer. Just raise the hand. And
Dragon.
choose one.
Dragon
Adult
Ball na.
female volunteer. I can. I don't know that. Let's go. You want to stop? Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Kinohi Park. About
Mahala, hayakatin mo na si Kalin.
And here comes Sunshine.
Si Sunshine.
Smile.
Love mo si Kalin, love mo si Kalin. Gusto ko hawakan.
How was the experience? Great. Thank you so much, ma'am. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Now let me present to you the animals and the trainers that made the show possible. Trainer Rochelle and Trainer Juliet Sunshine. Trainer Mikey with Sahara. Trainer...
Huwag niyo siyang tatakutin, huwag niyo siyang takutin. Dali oh, touch mo, touch. Liam, touch mo, Liam.
We can also continue to work conservation and protection of their natural habitat. Thank you once again for being part of the record trophy, and we look forward to
It's a big
seeing you
one.
again soon. Have a wonderful day. Everyone,
Thank you.
please remain seated because speaking of the Kulang show,
Si ate.
there you go. Let's go to the side. And don't forget to follow. We train us very Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Also we're throwing in trainer green. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver drops. So you're going to see object. On your left and the right are very sumida. Which side? Left, right, or either? Okay, let's put it right
Ayun,
here.
parot na sunod.
Now, let's go to our second word. Dozen. Dozen is our super word of Kakakyu. Sabi din is Kakakyu ang kalalita. Common inhabitants are of New Zealand and first islands of Australia. There are tutunin of Australia town. They consider fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And also love corn. Now guys,
Nagsasayaw oh.
Dozen ability to find the hidden object. Wherever you have to say, you can do it, Dozen.
You can do it.
Come on, Dozen, find the hidden object for us.
Oh, look, look, look.
And good job there! Tama ko po, Sir Dozen. We try na 1, 2.
Paano niya nahanap? That's it. Oh,
Now,
parot.
our next speaker starts like any curry bubble. Whenever you see it, there is a resource for everyone. You don't have to drive, but as an perform for the testing of relationship, there will always be buttons. Please start with Rocky, as a pair of William Hall, and today, they will battle out to choose the best in the basketball game. But before I start the battle with you, it's easy.
Ah, magbabasketball.
So the first one is Sassy the first. Let me hear. Sassy, Sassy.
Jockey! Jockey!
And how about the boy? So the first one is Rocky, the boy.
Rocky, si
Let
Rocky.
me hear.
Rocky.
Rocky, Rocky.
Rocky! Rocky!
Alright, so we're training. Trainer ready? Set, go. Here comes Rocky. For the first one. Second one for Rocky. And this time, we're what do you think about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. He won another race. Oh, he won another race. Trainer changes.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that
Sit down lang. You have to sit.
that Sassy and I will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want the ring race. And what is the ring race? The first bird who can drop ratings into the pole, the fastest is the winner, and that is the ring race. So, the ring race is 12B. Remember guys?
said.
Oh, we beat you to that. No, we didn't beat. Sassy, just you. Now let's march. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, up to middle. This time, put your fingers on creation. In a count of 3, everybody keep listening and make this one loud. Give us a crowd. Are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, signal. Everybody, thank you so much. The sea lion fell to the dirt as we go with Christmas from the water. H2O. So winners, what first? The lake, so we get a sea lion ride. And take sea lion ride. Take your lake. And another one. There, H2O. The winners, what's that? The ball. How did he get the ball? It's
Nasyak si
This time,
Kalin.
would you love to see a dance number for our Silas Run? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance? Now wiggle, wiggle. Let's go! Clap your hands, everybody! Come on!
Clap your hands down.
Now, ladies, go down the side by side. And off labor dancing, rock and roll like this into the word ballet. So twist it and turn it. Come on, ladies. And around the world we'll go, round and round. And on the outside, round and round. Now ladies, go down the boogie dance. Go get a boogie. Shake. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake those booties. Come on, winners. Yeah, boy. And keep on running. Now ladies, go down what you got. People in the crowd, ready to recover and cross. This is the best part. Ready, huh?
Ang galing ba?
The South American sea lion, Isis and Ayla, and you also hope that even after this, you will take it with you wherever you go. And remember,
Kalin na, Kalin!
care of that,
Sea lion!
which affects our personality. Sea lion is for the environment.
One more! Ay! Nandidila!
As a pollution, there are many other that could survive us all over the your work. Just like a cake, Candy Garanti.
Ayan na, Kalin, no?
You know about these inside our own
Ang dadila.
Keep in mind that we are here with the bar and that each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So what do you have? Oh, I see. There's the first. Highlight the JB, all of us are at Aquatica and Mendoza Park. We would like to thank you everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day.